This is Mr. Knowles, and this is a mini math lesson about perimeter. We're learning about that in geometry class right now. And perimeter is the distance in linear units around a figure. Or I like to say it's the distance around a shape, and you measure distance in units such as centimeters, inches, etc. So I'm going to jump right into a couple of ways to show you how to do that. I have a rectangle here, and I have a ruler. I'm going to just measure the lengths of the sides. So let's take my virtual ruler. I'm going to put it right along the edge. It's a rectangle, and the length of that is 5. So I'm actually going to write 5 there and 5 here. Because it's a rectangle, opposite sides are the same length. Move my ruler. Hopefully I can rotate it. There we go. Then put that there best I can. Almost got it lined up there. Try that again. And it looks like it's about a little over 4.5 over here. So maybe 4.7. So let's move that out of the way. This is 4.7. So that means this is 4.7. And I measured all 4 sides. I would add them up. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4.7 plus 4.7 . 9.4, and then I would put those together. I get 19.4, and then whatever the units are. That's the perimeter, the distance around an object. You measure it in linear units. I believe I have one more example. Got a triangle. It has 3 sides. So I just have to measure them. Best I can. Looks like that's 7. So I'll write that down. 7. Flip that around there. Oop. Bring that down. And that is 4. I just got to measure that angled slanted side, or us mathematicians call it the hypotenuse. You guys will learn about that more as you get older, or maybe you'll take the time to learn about it now. Let's see. Wish I had a real ruler. That's close enough. Oh, that's pretty good. And that side, ooh, it's almost 8. We'll just call it 8 just for the sake of this lesson. Keep things simple. 8. And I add them up. 8 plus 7 is 15. And then 15 plus the 4, 19. So the perimeter is equal to 19, whatever the units are. So hopefully that's starting to make sense to you guys. I could do the reverse. I could ask you to draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 12 units. Well, first of all, you have to know what a rectangle looks like. It's got 4 sides. Opposite sides are the same length. And let's see if I can draw one. Let's see. I think I'll do, this is 2. And if the other side's 2, then I have 8 units left to work with. So I believe I need 4 on one side and 4 on the other side. Let's see if that works. That's 4, that's 2, and that's 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, and another 2 plus 4 is 6, and altogether that equals 12. So the perimeter is 12 units. Can you draw a different one? Let me know if you can. Bring it in and show me at school. One more. Draw a square with a perimeter of 20 units. Okay, a square is 4 equal sides. So basically, I need something times 4 is 20. What is that something? I think it's 5. I think that's 5 units. 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 4 sides are 5. If you add them up, you should have 20. So that square has a perimeter of 20 units. So I hope that this helped out with perimeter. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Take care.